Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the newest Pokemon Edition console by Nintendo. Pokemon Edition Scarlet and Violet Nintendo Switch OLED. So this one was just released last Friday, so if you want to get one, check out your Target, Walmart, or Best Buy. This particular one I got from Best Buy just today, so we're going to be unboxing it and checking out the contents. This is to commemorate the newest games that are going to be released on November 18, if I'm not mistaken. And it looks like a very beautiful console, so we'll check out the box and the contents inside, and we'll see how beautiful this new console is. So let's check it out. Alright, for the moment of truth, here we go. We have the Nintendo Switch OLED. So far, no fakes of these yet. At least the Switch version. Alright, as you can see, there's like 3 languages, so they're ready to probably just use the same box for different regions. Especially here in Americas, we have the French, some of the French-speaking Canadians and Mexicans here for Spanish. Alright, so Nintendo Switch, Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Edition. We got their emblems. Okay, the top. Just the Nintendo logo. The right side, these are what the stuff that comes with it. So we should see a Switch console, left and right Joy-Cons, straps, high-speed HDMI cable, Nintendo Switch dock, Joy-Con grips, and AC adapter. The left side just have the description and the starters. And the back, we have some photos of the actual console and dock with some really cool background silhouette stuff going on. Alright, so we're just gonna open it up. Bottom side, you have the serials and just the warnings. Okay, so it never came with a seal originally, which is most of the games. So in the future, as a reference, if somebody put a seal in there, that was added. Okay. And here you go, we got a starter here. Who's this? Is this Sprigatito? Okay. And it tells you a setup before you open it up. Okay, you'll plug it in, set it up, and it tells you how to power it on and stuff in multiple languages too, French and Spanish. Okay, now that we got that cracked, we are opening it up, and ta-da! We have the Switch and the Joy-Cons. Let's start with the Joy-Cons here. The left one has the Scarlet color. with the logo and the starters. They really went overboard with designing this thing, huh? So you can see you have the two of the starters here. I think I'm gonna pick him or her. He just looks fun. Alright, we got the left one and the right one, the violet. And you got a logo. It looks like grapes. The other one's looks like orange. Orange and grapes. And you got both starters here. Right? I think so. Beautiful. I think they've Nintendo outdone themselves recently with these designs. Usually they're pretty simplistic. And here is the actual Switch. Oop. Oh! Oh no, it's still getting my prints there. But here is the actual Nintendo Switch with the starters and the logos. I don't know what this says. Some Pokemon language. If you know what it says, let me know in the comment section. But you got the logos. It's beautiful. I think in Japan they had pretty much a homemade stuff, sort of homemade stuff that was distributed. A regular Switch that has some print that looks like this in Japan. Alright. It might be a Koro one. Okay. And you got the manuals down below. You got safety guidelines to take breaks and not to play for 24 hours straight. Like what I did when I was a kid. Don't be like that. In multiple languages. Alright. Read an official seal. So we'll put it back there. So that one never came with a plastic. And then you could open it up. On the right side here, you have the dock. It comes with this plastic that has 0.4 LDPE. So for some collectors that actually makes a difference. Most of them doesn't really mind that. Alright, and you have a black squeegee with this high-speed and HDMI cable on top. And this is just the continuation of the charger. You have this Joy-Con strips. Scarlet and Violet in color as well. And the Joy-Con controller dock. I don't know what you call it. I honestly haven't been using my Switch a lot recently. Because I haven't been playing the main series games recently. I just haven't found the time yet. But I buy these games, multiple copies, just not play them. I play Pokemon Go a lot, if you haven't noticed in my Instagram account. Alright, so the dock is actually pretty beautiful. I like that they chose white, so white and black color scheme, so it's like double protected here with this white cover here and a bubble wrap. And nothing else in there. Alright. Look at that. It's shiny. It's a much over the top dock than the regular Switch. I guess that's why they put OLED. Look, it's shiny inside too, shiny black. You got Nintendo Switch, and this cover is just pretty. You got stripes in there, and then this has like diamonds. But when you look at it, it's really shiny. The back, you just have these Pokeball here. I think you can kind of open it up when you have to connect something. Alright, and you got the serial number in there. And that's it. We're gonna go through some photos. And this is pretty much it. What's inside the Switch OLED. I'm most likely not gonna use this one because I use the Switch Lite most of the time. And I already have a Switch open, but hopefully this video is helpful for those people that are gonna be collecting this afterwards. Or some people that are just buying this for collecting purposes and would like to see what's actually inside without opening theirs. Alright. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know that these consoles go for a lot of money, even as released, and they've been collectible so far throughout the year. So if you can, definitely cop out one. And if you're looking to buy this used after it was released, maybe months from now, hopefully this video is gonna be helpful for you to see how the contents are arranged, because a lot of my unboxing doesn't really come from a brand new game, so it's very rare that I get to do these from a brand new perspective. So hopefully this video would be helpful for future viewers out there. Otherwise, thank you for watching the video, and I hope you subscribe and leave a like if you like this video. So thank you so much. Have a good day.
Where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen.